people are already familiar with the taste of sambal chili, and it's absolutely fantastic when paired with nasi lemak.
Sambal chili fried potatoes. Everyone has tried it, right? It turns out the method is very simple, perfect for beginners to cook for their families. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. The ingredients are very simple. You only need potatoes, carrots, and sambal chili paste. Of course, you can also add onions if you like. It's all up to your preference. Peel and cut the potatoes into chunks. Then you can put them into the air fryer to refry or even bake them in the oven. Of course, deep frying is also an option. Just do whatever is more convenient for you. Air-fried potatoes have a better texture and hold their shape well without becoming mushy. Air fry at 200 degrees for 20 minutes, flipping the potatoes halfway through. Everyone, adjust the time and temperature according to your own oven. Once the potatoes are golden brown, you can stir-fry the sambal chili until fragrant. If you have lemongrass at home, you can add it and stir-fry to release the fragrance. If not, it's okay because the seasoning sauce already has flavor. Lemongrass just enhances the aroma. Toss in potatoes cubes. After stir-frying for a moment, add an appropriate amount of water and simmer-stir. This way, you'll have sambal chili sauce to drizzle over your rice. Simmer sambal chili potatoes for about 10 to 15 minutes until tender, but not mushy for the perfect texture. The sauce fully penetrates during this time, creating a creamy exterior while maintaining a slight bite inside. The fragrant sambal chili potatoes are now ready. Plating them in a beautiful dish instantly makes them look even more appetizing. It's often said that a home-cooked dish can feel completely different after being plated. A thoughtfully prepared meal also needs careful dressing to enhance its flavor. Sambal potatoes offer a rich and spicy flavor with a tangy tomato-based sauce undertone. The exterior is densely coated in sauce, while the interior remains soft yet firm. The spiciness builds up gradually, leaving a complex aroma of shrimp paste and spices in the aftertaste. The sauce penetrates deep into the potato's texture, delivering a tropical Southeast Asian explosion in every bite. The overall taste is savory and robust, complemented by slightly charred edges. Sambal is a Southeast Asian condiment made from chili, shrimp paste, and spices. It features a complex flavor profile combining salty, spicy, and tangy notes, serving as a fundamental base in Peranakan cuisine. Commonly used with rice, stir-fried seafood, or as a dipping sauce for grilled dishes. Sambal originated in the Malay archipelago as a traditional method of preserving chilies. It evolved through cultural fusion, incorporating Chinese shrimp paste and Indian grinding techniques during maritime trade. Today it exists in over 200 regional variations across Southeast Asia. Sambal chili offers notable health benefits through its unique composition. The capsaicin in chili peppers effectively boosts metabolism and enhances calorie burning, while the fermentation process generates natural probiotics that support gut health. Additionally, the shrimp paste provides essential minerals like calcium and iron, which work synergistically with the vitamin C from fresh chilies. Its intense flavor profile allows it to partially replace salt in dishes, aligning with modern low-sodium dietary needs. The complex layering of aromatic spices not only stimulates appetite, but also promotes psychological well-being through the enjoyment of flavorful food, creating a holistic approach to wellness. Now that we've explored these culinary secrets, aren't ingredients more fascinating? Food always tastes better when you know the stories behind it. That's the real secret ingredient. My channel will also start sharing how I find vegetarian recipes that are suitable for vegan like me when eating out. If you are a meatless person like me, then there is no problem with putting it in your eating out diary. Vegetarianism can be divided into the following categories, and their differences are briefly summarized. Vegan: do not consume any animal products, including meat, fish, eggs, milk, honey, etc. Avoid using animal products such as leather and wool. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat or fish, but eat eggs and dairy products such as milk and cheese. Lacto-vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, eggs, but eat dairy products such as milk and sourdough. For vegetarian: do not eat meat, fish, dairy products, but eat eggs. Pescatarian: do not eat red meat or poultry, but eat fish, seafood, and may also eat eggs and milk. Flexitarian: mainly vegetarian, occasionally eat a small amount of meat or fish, without strict restrictions. Religious, cultural vegetarianism such as Buddhist vegetarianism and Hindu vegetarianism may prohibit the consumption of specific meats such as beef, pork, or 5 pungent vegetables such as onions and garlic. Main difference: whether eggs, milk, fish are included, and the degree of strictness. Veganism is the strictest, and flexitarianism is the most relaxed. Try to start with 1 meat-free day. Weekly small steps create big impacts. Heal the planet. Each vegan meal slashes 50% carbon footprint and saves water. Your fort protects forests and wildlife habitats. Kindness matters. Choosing veggies means saying yes to compassion, reducing farmed animal suffering with every bite. Boost your health. Plant-based meals packed with fiber and antioxidants cut heart disease risks, leaving you energized and glowing. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.